Hi, welcome to this series on core stoichiometry. I've covered the 9 different combinations you could possibly have, which is mass, gas, concentration to mass, gas, concentration. Students often have a problem of how to go about a question, what steps to take, and how to go from the start to the end. So hopefully this will cover everything that you could possibly come across. Okay, determine how many grams of calcium chloride can be produced from 0.5 grams of calcium carbonate with excess acid. I don't want to do this video right now, but Madeline insists that we do a video, so I've chosen this one. So I don't want to do an exam question. So I don't feel like doing a video right now. Madeline. You think it's very funny, don't you? Alright, so the first thing, what do we do here? So that you look at the question, and the question says grams of calcium carbonate, and it says grams on the other thing there. Okay? I don't think they appreciate that. Alright, and so you can see the two things there. It's grams to grams, solid to solid.
Daddy, I want to choose the color.
Madeline, the writing I've already done. We're just doing the voiceover.
I want to choose the color.
Sorry, you can't choose the color. I've already done the colors. Alright, so the number of moles of calcium carbonate. So the balanced equation gives you the stoichiometric ratio, Madeline. Did you know that? So there's one particle of calcium carbonate gives you one particle of calcium chloride. So you need to know how many particles there are of calcium chloride. So you have to use the formula mass. I divide it by molar mass, and so there's 0.5 grams, and the molar mass of calcium carbonate is there, it's about 100, and that gives you the number of moles. So once you know what the number of moles of calcium chloride are, it'll be the same for calcium carbonate because the balanced equation tells you it's 1:1. So here we have 0.005 moles of calcium carbonate as your first step. Now all of these problems, these full proper problems, have a 3-step stage. You use some sort of mass, concentration, or gas volume and get it to moles. Use the stoichiometric ratio. Step 2 and step 3 is getting that mole ratio back to what you want. Alright, that's a nice pretty thing, isn't it, Madeline? That's from Australia. Turn it around, they can see Australia written on the back. Turn it around. See that? Australia. Nice bit of Aboriginal art there, Madeline. Do you remember buying those when we were in Australia? Alright, so 1 mole is to 1 mole calcium chloride. Well, I don't think you're going to be in the rest of these videos, are you? I'm going to have to speed up this film here. I'm just going at normal pace here because I have this little one with me. I'm very sorry. If you like this, if you like Madeline in these videos, please say so. Otherwise, I can very easily delete her out. Or do it when you're asleep. And so you're not there. So I do the crossover method. You don't really need to do that for 1:1, but I'm teaching you the method now for when it does get difficult, like 2:3. Alright? You know you're going to have you on these videos forever. Yes? Huh? Do you want to be on the video? How about you do a song and sing and dance? Because the video's almost over, Madeline. So it's just, as I said before, it's going to be 0.05 molar for the calcium chloride. So the last step is we want a mass. So we convert the calcium chloride quickly. You don't have much time, Madeline. Do you want to sing and dance or just pick your nose on camera? You just pick your nose. I thought you wanted to do your special song and dance. You want to stand up and do a song? Alright, so what we have is number of moles times molar mass. So you work out the molar mass there. And you just times the 2 together. The video's finished, man. You're out of time. Alright? And so if you times those 2 together, you get a final answer, which will be in grams of 0.55 grams of calcium chloride, and that's your answer. So that's how you get from grams to grams. I hope you found that helpful. If you want some more help with the theory, please go to my website and there are various videos here that you can go through. I've also got other concept videos and a titration set here. There are also exam questions, flash quizzes, and there's also a comprehensive range for IB chemistry, which you can also use for AP chemistry and other things, including IGCSE and even the lower grades 7, 8, 9, all the way from naming and balancing right up to really complicated problems. So don't forget to click like and please subscribe.